Having analyzed the results of its activity for the last year, the management of our company decided to conduct an advertising campaign. As part of our marketing strategy, we plan to start packaging our popular product in individual polyethylene bags. It was planned to package it by dosing the cold medicine in sticks. The consumer, using the dosed stick, can prepare the drug in the form, suspension, which is well assimilated by the body. We have been manufacturing pharmaceuticals for 30 years, all the time mastering new products. Our enterprise is a part of a large production association in Voronezh. It was planned to start producing the drug in sticks in 5 months, in order to conduct an advertising campaign in the shortest possible time. I, as a leading pre-production technologist, was commissioned to find equipment that would ensure the preparation packing in sticks with the possibility of increasing the productivity of the machine. The main criteria of the search were, firstly, the equipment should be fully automated, bag feeding, seam welding, trimming. Secondly, the machine control should be simple and clear. The machine was planned to be located in the assembly and packing shop. The important condition was to provide the output of not less than 10,000 bags per day, in one shift operation of the plant, and the possibility of its subsequent increase. It was planned to use thick sachets of 15 by 3 centimeters to produce the drug. We must use quality equipment to meet the requirements of hygienic services. Therefore, I approached the issue of choice of automatic equipment for filling the drug in sticks with all seriousness. I took the choice of automatic machines for the production of sticks very seriously. The next week, the International Exhibition of Pharmaceutical Equipment and Materials was to be held in Moscow, and I decided to visit this exhibition and study the equipment for the production of styrofoam sheets presented there, as well as possible packaging options for dosing the powder. After visiting the exhibition, I was surprised how many different machines were presented for filling the pellets of different capacity, dosage. I also studied the variants of stick filling with different materials, powders, liquids, different dosage. Sticks, sachet bags differed in design, shape. I took contacts from European equipment manufacturers in order to study product catalog in details. On my own, I chose 2 companies, one in Italy and one in the Netherlands. After sending a request to their email address, 3 days later I received a reply from the Italian company, who informed me that they could not deliver the equipment due to the suspension of their production. The company from the Netherlands wrote in an email that they were ready to offer a machine for filling sticks, but that I had to come to their production to conclude a contract. I didn't have a visa, and it would have taken at least a month to get one, so I refused. The first step was not very good for me. I understood that there is no hopeless situation, so I continued looking for a solution to the problem. I found similar equipment for filling the drug in sticks in 3 Chinese manufacturers. I contacted them by phone. Managers of my chosen companies did not answer me. Can their machine seal seams, cut the bags automatically? Will it provide an output of 1,000 bags per hour? When can I get a ready-made machine? To all of these questions I heard the phrase, "We'll do it." One company started talking to me in Chinese, and I ended the conversation. In the end I came to the conclusion that I myself will not be able to choose the equipment for filling the sticks, and decided to turn to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give complete information about the machine, its capabilities, test the equipment with our material, tell me about the terms of delivery. It was decided not to consider Chinese intermediaries from the very beginning, because often manufacturers from China have their own direct representatives. I did not want to go through this stage all over again, so I decided to turn to Russian intermediaries for help. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of pharmaceutical equipment sales, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, and convenient terms of delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I selected 4 companies. After sending an email request to all of them, I didn't get any answer from 2 of them. One company warned me that they don't have their own adjuster, and that I would have to install the equipment myself. This option did not suit me. Only one manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me competent and constructive answers to my questions. I also liked the business-like approach of this specialist. The manager of this company was polite, asked a lot of clarifying questions about the required capacity of the equipment, what material we use for packaging, what is the loading volume of a single stick. After a preliminary consultation over the phone, the specialist suggested automatic equipment for packing in sachets, packets, and sticks. I agreed on this option with the management of our company, and we signed a contract for the supply of the selected machine. During the whole manufacturing period, I received an email report on the readiness of my order. When the machine for filling in sticks was made, the manager sent a video of the equipment. My order was delivered within the time specified in the contract. The machine was made of stainless steel. The operation of the equipment was automated. Within 2 weeks of receiving the machine, we were able to install it, make adjustments and train the employee. As a result, we put the drug into production in the new sticky packaging in just 4 months. Perhaps I would not have got such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone the way of selecting the machine myself. Experience has shown that the decision to seek professional help in selecting equipment for filling stick packs was the right one. After talking with a real professional, I became a bit smarter myself, learned a lot, and am absolutely sure that a good teacher is the one whose words and deeds don't disagree. I checked this out on my own experience.